Previously, we have discussed what are object locators and how important they are in web automation, right? And also we have discussed the overview of Catalan Studio, and in the overview we have seen at high level what is object repository. Now we are going to learn in detail about object repository. So welcome to chapter 3, where we are going to discuss object repository in Catalan Studio, right? And we are also going to discuss how to build what is object repository in Catalan, and how to build the object repository, or how to create the object repository. And then we are going to discuss image based object identification and what is it, and what is unused test objects feature in Catalan Studio. So this is what we are going to discuss in chapter 3. So the first one is what is object repository and why it is necessary for us. All right. Okay. So now let us go back to the Catalan Studio. So like we discussed in the overview, object repository is a place where we can actually collect the objects. It's a collection of objects. If it is a web project, it's a collection of web objects. If it is a API or web service project, it is a collection of APIs. If it is a mobile project, it is a collection of mobile elements. And the purpose is that we wanted to separate the objects from the test cases so that it is going to be easy for maintenance. So this is what object repository is, and what is the use, and why object repository is nothing but to make the maintenance easier. So when there are some changes in the application, instead of doing the changes in the test cases, we just have to do the changes for that particular object or web element under object repository. So that's the benefit of having an object repository. And Catalan Studio by default has this object repository, so you don't have to spend extra time in creating an object repository and doing the maintenance of it. So that's one of the benefits. And how do we uh, you know create web object repository? So we discussed what is object repository and why it is necessary. Now we are talking about creating the object repository. So there are three ways that we can create an object repository. One is using a record feature of Catalan Studio. Now let us see how do we use record feature and build an object repository. So this is the Catalan Studio project, and here is my object repository. Now this is the spy object spy, and this is the web record feature. Okay, now I can click on here. Also under actions I can see the record web option as well. All right, so I can click here, or I can use this icon. I'm clicking on this icon, so it launched the web recorder for me, and this is the application which I wanted to record, and I can choose which browser I wanted to use to record this test case. I chose Chrome browser, and the recording started. It has launched the web page, and now I maximized it, and you can see the script is generated here. The script is generated over here, and now I have entered the username admin ADIMN. Now I am entering the password. Now I clicked on login button. You see the actions are recorded over here. So that's enough for us for now. Let me click on save script, and here you see there are some web elements which are loaded into object repository. It is asking me whether I wanted to load these into the object repository or not. So here is my object repository. I can choose a folder, a new folder where this have to be created. I can select new folder over here, and I can give a name as sample, not sample, let me say record, by record. So I'm creating an object repository with the help of record feature. So I created this folder by record, and I selected that by record folder, and then I clicked on OK. So it is asking me the test case name. I can give a sample test case name. So here I got the test case itself created with the actions which I have recorded, And in the object repository, I got the folder by record which is having my objects. So this is one of the ways and fastest ways to create the objects in the object repository. All right. So that's the first way.